And my very happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh, and I want you to know this comes with love from your mother.
All right, we've got Gia Marie Vitt celebrating birthday number 3. Gia is in Radley, Kansas. Her birthday was on Saturday.
This next dude, he's a big deal. That's right, Jacob Deal celebrating number 9. Happy birthday, Mr. Jacob in Neosho.
Summer Largent celebrating birthday number 13. Nice costume there. Welcome to the teenage years.
Kinsey Carnal, she's also a new teenager. Kinsey, a happy 13th birthday to you. She's celebrating in Erie.
All right, and we have Dalton Schlichting celebrating birthday number 18 this year. Dalton is in Lamar.
In Pittsburgh, Autumn Willems, a happy 27th birthday to you, Autumn.
Matt Delange celebrating in Brazelton, Kansas, turning 32 years old.
Vanessa McGuffey, she lives on the Elk River shoulder of Grand Lake, and she's celebrating her 33rd. Have a great day, Vanessa.
All right. In Chanute, Julie Hassler, turning 56 years old. Happy birthday, Julie.
Carolyn Turner, she's celebrating her 64th birthday. I always love when we get a Halloween costume picture. I'm gonna feel terrible now if that's not a Halloween costume picture. And if it's not, Carolyn, I appreciate the way that you go about your day, man, because that looks like a whole lot of fun. Happy birthday, Carolyn.
Can't complain there. And let's see, we've got Patty McMurtry, turning 67 years old. Little throwback picture there for Patty in Chanute.
Joyce Hamilton, happy 74th. Miss Joyce, she celebrates in Jasper.
All right. In Buffalo, Kansas over the weekend, it was party time for Larry Leverance, who's now 74 years old.
What up, Larry? Long time no see, my man. Looking great. Mo Elliott, number 82, and I tell you what, you got a mower like that, you've got my envy. That is for sure. That's a slick ride there, Mo. A very happy birthday in Chanute.
All right. And let's see, Janet Curlis. Janet, here she is pictured with her 7 great-grandchildren. That's pretty awesome. In Lamar, turning 90 years old.
Louis Cicetta, 97 now. And Mr. Cicetta, one of our 4-state heroes as well. I hope you had a marvelous birthday, sir. And of course, thank you for your service. Marvelous family story right there behind that. Mr. Cicetta celebrates in Scammon.
And then Jamie Otto in Columbus is celebrating. Happy birthday, Miss Jamie.
A happy birthday as well to one Scott Ball. Scott, have a marvelous birthday. I'm going to give you the week, my man.
All right, it's a 55th anniversary celebration for the Mills. Congrats going out to Rex and Linda Mills. And these anniversary wishes come from your son, Rex.
And we've got a 73rd anniversary. That's right, 73 years. For Edward and Dorma Banta. My goodness, congratulations, Edward and Dorma. I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous rest of the year to celebrate that anniversary. The Bantas are in Golden City. And who that is?
Why, it's our very own Dal Quick.
He's a Halloween baby.
Yep.
That's why we had to carry him over.
Big day yesterday. We'll be partying again today in the newsroom.
That is not, no, Tanya, stop. That is not Dow dressed up for Halloween. Gosh, you can't say that on air. You might be watching. Or Kay might be watching. Then we're all busted. Happy birthday, big man. You know that we love you and everything you've done for all of us here. This station would not function without you, and none of us would actually have any fun or have any success if it weren't for you, quite frankly. I'll just spell it out that way. How about that? Let's put him on the spot.
All right, our birthday list goes on with Jimmy Lovell celebrating birthday in Cherokee. Brian Usher turning another year wiser in Webb City. And Perry McLaughlin, happy birthday to you down in Miami.
Where's a picture on Jimmy? You can get that taken care of. Lucas Lundberg, he's celebrating his 14th. Lucas, a happy birthday to you in the NAC. Amanda Goebel Sutton, a birthday. Happy birthday to Amanda. Ben and Sarah Wiley celebrating their 7th anniversary. Congratulations to Ben and Sarah. And Cindy Davis, giving your screen to yourself. A happy 65th in Pittsburgh. That's not ours. Okay, I want to make sure. No, I didn't think so. But hey, Cindy, like I said, your own screen right there, and have a marvelous birthday in the Berg. Cindy celebrated over the weekend. And so, if you celebrated anywhere from, I don't know, say Saturday up until today, well, I want you to go ahead and feel free to carry this birthday celebration on throughout the course of this week. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. And now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.